Okay, everybody, it's Todd, Kathy, and Brennan with Just Out and About, and I'm sorry about, I know the video looks kind of like bright, but we are at Animal Kingdom here at Walt Disney World Resort, and we are actually in one of the few places that you can sit that you're pretty much away from everybody. You can sit and take a break, enjoy your beverage without having to wear a mask. So the sun is going to be a little bright at times, but we wanted to bring you a food review that we did. We actually went to Chef Art Smith's Homecoming for the first time. Kathy, why don't you tell everybody what we had, and then we'll let you know what we think about it.
Okay.
Or thought about it.
All right. Well, let me get my glasses on. Okay. Todd had the fried chicken salad, which was crispy fried chicken over mixed greens, pecan, smoked bacon, egg, heirloom cherry tomatoes, red onion, and cucumber tossed with icebox dressing. Cheddar biscuit, croutons, and fresh herbs. $18. So what'd you think?
Okay, that's a pretty big description, I know, for a salad, but the salad actually was great. I wasn't wanting like a huge meal, so to me it was perfect. And I was also wanting a taste of Art Smith's famous fried chicken, which you have like a very large portion of chicken, of the fried chicken, on your salad. But the eggs, everything else that came on it, I mean, it was a delicious salad, and it was like a huge portion, that, I definitely couldn't finish. But I enjoyed it very much, and plus the actual salad dressing is house made. So it's kind of a twist on ranch dressing. Has a little bit more, I think, of like a vinegar kick to it, which I like. I know Kathy's not a big vinegar fan, but all in all, I very much enjoyed my salad. And if you can say this about a fried chicken salad, it was pretty refreshing. So, a big thumbs up, for me. I would say, definitely visit this restaurant. And if you want to go a little bit on the lighter side, try this salad.
Brandon had the HFK BBQ Bun. It was a sweet and spicy barbecue, chopped pork, piled high, and topped with a fried egg and our southern slaw, $18. What did you think?
The sandwich itself was pretty good. It had a lot of barbecue on it. Usually I don't get barbecue when I go to restaurants because it's not always very trustworthy. But I thought the barbecue here was pretty good. Also, the idea of the egg on top of it was pretty good. I got mine scrambled, not fried, but if I had it again, I would get it fried. I think it's probably the best. It's what's meant to be on there. And also the slaw here, but it was good too. Not as good as your typical homemade slaw, but it was pretty good here. When it says piled high, it definitely was a lot of barbecue. And when I heard the word bun, I thought it was going to be a smaller sandwich, but it definitely was a pretty big sandwich with plenty of food.
Okay, so I had the Art's famous fried chicken, because how can you not go to Homecoming and have the fried chicken? It's a buttermilk brine for 24 hours, then perfectly fried, served with creamy mashed potatoes, a cheddar drop biscuit, and love. $29. Rather pricey. You did get like 3 pieces of fried chicken. I could only finish one. The chicken was very juicy, tender on the inside. The batter was good. I've actually had better, but it was good. I think anybody in the Charlotte area who's had Price's Chicken Coop, it's hard to beat Price's Chicken Coop. But it was still good. The creamy mashed potatoes with the gravy on top, that was out of this world. And the biscuit, the cheddar biscuit, was wonderful too. It was a wonderful buttery, cheddary goodness. Definitely a lot of food. I could not finish it all. Maybe half the potatoes and one piece of chicken.
And lastly, we should mention this to begin with. We had the Church Lady deviled eggs for an appetizer. Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
So that's about all we have to say about Chef Art Smith. You guys really need to check Chef Art Smith out if you get the chance. Join us for more food reviews.